Alright, boys. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
What?
Bruh.
You better watch this. You don't want to watch this? Alright. We gotta go to the Celebrity Crunch Classic, guys.
Was it 203? It says it's sold out, bro.
Yeah, there's nothing in there. It's all on top of the rings.
Bro. Oh my. Dude, this could have been good.
No. You gotta do the Funyuns. That'll knock them down.
Do you think?
Yeah. I mean, it almost did
it's
for me.
kind of stuck. It's kind of stuck though.
But Funyuns are good.
I like Funyuns. It's a win-win, I
it's
guess.
$1.50, by the way.
I don't have change on me.
Okay, I got you.
No. I got it. I'll get it. I'll do it.
I'm sorry.
I'll put in $2.
What?
Does anybody live by it?
Oh, dude, come on. Bro, this is gonna be the most I haven't spent a penny on this video, so on my YouTube channel. So, bro, come on.
I literally hear every single day I'm
That took a while.
Well, no, it's because I have to push him out of the way. 203? 103?
Yeah, 103. Rally.
Please work, please work. Oh! No!
One more.
Should I do it one more?
Yes.
I don't really want to spend any more money on Funyuns, bro. I don't want to spend any more money on Funyuns.
What do you want, Tiny? I want Funyuns.
You gotta get the Funyuns, bro, and it'll knock them down. Oh shoot, man.
Oh man.
I'll do it. Wait, I need my change.
There's still some change in there from when I got it too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Come on, Tiny, get up there.
Wait a second. No, I spent exactly $3.
No, think about it.
Alright, hold up. Alright. I don't want to put another $1 in there. What, should I? Yeah.
Can I have it?
No.
You have more than $1?
No. I'm gonna waste my money, bro. It should be going into my car fund, but chips or cars, you know what I mean?
Yeah, chips or cars.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
103, got it. 101.
Alright, so it says it's sold out on these ones and I can't buy it, so I have to go 103.
Bro, it's the Nature Valley.
Let's go! Yeah!
Fingers crossed, guys. Yeah! Let's go!
Hey, I love the Funyuns.
Oh, bro.
That's the Funyuns.
Trey, you want one? Bro, I did it. Dude, I freaking did it.